हाय गाइस, आई एम मुस्कान। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्लिंगी मुस्कान। सो गाइस, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने टाइटल से देख ही लिया होगा, आज हम बात करेंगे बेस्ट वुमेन परफ्यूम फॉर एवरी बजट इन इंडिया। सो गाइस, मैंने आप लोगों के लिए एक लिस्ट तैयार करी है और उससे पहले कि मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट करूं, मैं आपको बता देना चाहती हूँ कि उसमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे परफ्यूम्स हैं जो मैंने खुद ने पर्सनली ट्राई करे हुए हैं एंड गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, दे आर वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड गुड। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर लेट, लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो। So first we have Embark Woman My Life, one of the most loved and best affordable perfumes out there for ladies in India. This is an everyday wear perfume. Apart from this, you can also wear this one to parties. Embark My Life has a long lasting effect. The perfume is intense and is infused with rose and peach damask and a hint of black tea. So next we have David of Cool Water for Women. Another one of the best female perfumes in India. David of Cool Water is must for every woman to have it in her closet. The cool and fresh fragrance with juicy notes of pineapple and watermelon keeps you filled with energy. It is a perfect perfume for those hot summer days. Now next we have Skin by Titan Celeste perfume for women. A perfume made in France, it has floral notes with a hint of pears and peaches along with sandalwood and patchouli. This is Eau de Parfum and has a long lasting effect. This is one of the best affordable perfumes for women in India. Up next we have Dance Diamonds by Shakira. Coming from the perfume line created by world-renowned singer and dancer Shakira herself. Speaking of the bottle, it is as unique as it is fascinating. The fragrance is a mix of bergamot, raspberry, red pepper, orange blossom absolute, peony, violet leaves, sandalwood, amber and musk. Now next we have Rasasi Blue Lady. This one is perfect for everyday wear as it promises a long-lasting fragrance. It is all you need to smell super fresh all day long. It's for the girls who love keeping it classy and chic. One of the best long-lasting perfumes for women with woody musky scent. Now next we have Carolina Herrera Good Girl. One of the most used and popular perfumes among bloggers and celebrities alike. Carolina Herrera Good Girl Eau de Parfum is one of the best perfumes for women in India. The bottle in itself is very unique and eye-catching, designed as a stiletto. Up next we have Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. A lot of women Bollywood celebrities love this perfume. The fragrance of this perfume is dominated with pink pepper, mint leaves and brown sugar with hints of jasmine and peony. It is one of the best perfumes for women in India. Up next we have Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. No perfume list for women is complete without at least one perfume from the French brand Chanel. This time what makes this list is Coco Mademoiselle. It has top notes for this perfume are orange, lemon and bergamot. Up next we have Miss Dior. It has a high note of Calabrian bergamot and has a hint of glazed rose and rosewood. The design of the bottle is simple and crisp. The perfume is perfect for any outing. Last but not the least, we have Victoria's Secret Bombshell. It goes without saying that girls are mad over products of Victoria's Secret and is not limited to India. This is the case all over the globe. And with stores opened at multiple locations in India, its products have only become more accessible. The Victoria's Secret Bombshell is filled with notes of purple passion fruits, vanilla orchids and peony. With this, we conclude the list of the best perfumes for women in India. However, one thing should always be kept in mind, that fragrance is something that can never be generalized and there is no one scent that will be loved by all. although the above mentioned ones loved by the majority. So guys, that was all for today. I hope आप अपना favorite perfume choose कर पाए. And please guys, do tell me in the comment section below कि आपका favorite perfume कौन सा है. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.